Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I know that some of you are here because you found me on Sonakshi Sinha's YouTube channel. So welcome, thank you so much for watching my video today. A few of you asked me what happened. Okay, let me start at the beginning. My name is Arushi. My YouTube handle is MakeupMischief01, and I was the lucky person who won Sonakshi Sinha's Valentine's Day 2026 giveaway. Some of you asked what I got because she did not reveal in her original video what she is giving away as a prize. She just showed the box that was coming. So some of you asked me what was in the box, and I decided to make an unboxing video. This is not a first impressions unboxing video because I have already opened it. I had no chill whatsoever. So I've already opened it and I've already seen what's in here, and I've played around with a few of the lipsticks. So let's get into it. I'm going to use as much of this for doing my makeup today as I can, and for the rest, I'll use what I already have, and I'll in the process show you what's in there. So this is the box that she sent, and boy was she truthful when she said it is full. I am very grateful. So actually, you have been beyond generous. I don't think you'll actually watch this video, but you have been beyond generous, and I'm so grateful. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I'll take a picture and put it up on the screen right here of what it looks like in the box. But because I have very small working space here, I will just open this up and show you what's inside one by one. The box itself is like a little suitcase. It has a lock and everything, which is wonderful, and I can attach it to like like a check-in bag, sorry, a carry-on bag if I'm traveling with it. So let's open it up. This is what it looks like. There are two compartments, so let's open what's in the bottom compartment first. First, she sent this beautiful handwritten letter naming me and just thanking me for being a part of her YouTube family. It is, and I have her autograph. I love this. I'm going to cherish this so much because I genuinely love her makeup content so much. It's just so good. Then inside are a couple of her own brand Soeasy's press-on nails. I almost dropped it. Okay, so two Soeasy press-on nails, both really beautiful. One of these is in the variant Let's Flirt, and one of these is in the variant Glossy Glow. Both are beautiful. Then she sent this Nykaa Brush Kit, which I will be using today. So let me just quickly open that up and set that aside for myself. This is going to be a long video, and I don't think I want to cut any of it out. So it's up to you. Grab yourself a coffee or a snack. This would be good for blush and maybe even setting my face. This will be good for like contour, powder contour maybe. 3 eye brushes and 2 makeup sponges. Then there is a Natasha Moor lip liner, uh, a Tarte eyeliner, pen style eyeliner, Natasha Moor mascara. Oh, let's start with this. This is the Natasha Moor Secret Perfector Skin Concealer in the shade 03. And it is a lipstick bullet style packaging. I don't want to apply it directly. I end up putting too much. You know what? Before I do that, let me show you one more thing that's in there because I kind of want to use it. So this kit came with a very cute headband that I want to actually use to get my hair out of the way. I haven't worn something like this since I was like in college. It's so cute. Came with this lovely mirror that I think this was part of the Nykaa Bridgerton collection. So this is in the shade 03. I don't know whether this will work for me. I haven't tried it yet. I want to take a little bit on a brush. It might. Oh, it's lovely. So this is a very emollient product, easy to blend, and the coverage is medium, which is perfect according to me. I like medium coverage and everything. I like my skin to look like skin. Now I wish I hadn't used like a eyeshadow brush for this part, because I thought this was just good for a concealer. You know what? I'm just gonna use it as a concealer regardless. Okay. So nice. Okay. Not bad. Apart from this, I have a couple of liquid lipsticks from Natasha Moor. These are in the shades Self Made and Soul. We'll get to lipsticks a little later. I also have the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Since Skin Soothing Hydration Mist. I don't know what this does. My friend tells me like it's not a makeup setting spray. It's just a refresher spray. So I don't think I'll use this right now. I will probably use this later in the day. That's okay. So now let's move to the other side of this box. Let me see if I can safely show you what's in there. Oh, bunch of things in here as well. So over here I have a couple more brushes, and these are the Mars Artists Artisanal brushes. One is a foundation brush, one is a highlighter brush, but I think it's very good for I think the size and shape and density would be good for concealer. I should have used this next time. I'm going to use this now for doing basic foundation. Oh, I love this brush. I've not used this type of brush before for foundation. Look at that. I think this will be really good for like primer also. Next time I'll try primer with this. अभी तो मैंने primer ऐसे ही like finger से लगा लिया अपने. That's my dog, by the way. Her name is Bonnie. She's very cute. Beautiful, beautiful brush. Beautiful finish. God, that's lovely. Now she gave me this palette. This is the K Beauty X Falguni Peacock collection, the Luxe face palette, K Couture collection. This was limited edition, but I think it's currently still available when I'm filming this, which is 1st of March. Oh, so nice. Oh, it's K to be you. I didn't know that. It would say that. Beautiful, beautiful mirror. Let's try that contour. Oh, this brush is lovely. The shape of brush is just so nice. Bronzer is kind of neutral, not very warm, not very cool. So it's not a contour, it's a bronzer only. I think I'm more interested in the pinky blush than the orangey one. The orangey one looks a little deep for me, like at the moment. Although I am wearing white, so I can probably get away with it. But oh, that's pigmented. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is blush blindness if I've ever seen one. Let's take some of that away with the foundation. Taking a little bit of the bronzer. मेरा makeup aesthetic usually काफ़ी clean girl होता है. So you'll very often see, if you go and look at some of my recent videos, I don't do very elaborate makeup looks. It's rare. Now I'm taking this shade, and on the same brush, Okay, next for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics eyeliner. Cute है, I like it, I like it. Awesome. एक्चुअली ये मेरे को बहुत पसंद आई पेन, ये वाला पेन आईलाइनर, बिकॉज इट्स सो थिन कि काफ़ी थिन लाइन बन रही थी. जस्ट वेरी प्रिसाइज, आई रियली लाइक इट. आई डोंट थिंक मस्कारा के लिए मैं नताशा मोर वाला भी यूज़ करूँगी, बिकॉज मेरे पास एक 2 या 3 ऑलरेडी ओपन है एंड मस्कारा खुलते ही पुराना होना शुरू हो जाता है. सो लेट्स होल्ड दैट. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स इज देयर. फिर देखते हैं. सो इसके अलावा यहाँ पे 3 के ब्यूटी की लिपस्टिक्स हैं, अगेन फ्रॉम दैट फाल्गुनी पीकॉक कलेक्शन. आई हैव द शेड्स रानी रोज, सेलेस्टियल नूर एंड ऑटम ड्राइव. मुझे नाम लिखा हुआ इसमें दिख नहीं रहा है बिकॉज बैच स्टैम्प लगा हुआ है उस पर, बट autumn something. I'll put the, like, all of these will be listed in the description box, जो कुछ भी बॉक्स में है, प्लस जो कुछ भी मैंने एडिशनली यूज़ किया वो भी मैं लिस्ट कर दूँगी. So let's actually swatch these along with these 2 Natasha Moor ones. I have a lip liner also from Mars. This is in the shade Peachy Glow, and I have another lip liner from Natasha Moor in the shade Showstopper. ये सारे swatch करके देखते हैं कि क्या combination कैसे अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, so starting with this K Beauty one in the shade, what is that shade? Autumn something. And let's swatch it right here. Then this is in the shade Celestial Noor. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a brown pink. I love brown pinks. I love brown pinks. This is in the shade Rani Rose. I suspect this is a rosy one, and I think this is the kind of shade that I'm in the mood for today. Oh yeah, that's last one is Rani Rose. Let's look at the Natasha Moor Molten Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Self Made. Self Made. Oh, beautiful. I think ये लगा सकती हूँ. इसके साथ lip liner चाहिए होगा. Let me see if one of the new lip liners will work. And this is the shade Soul. ये बहुत प्यारा कलर है, but इसके साथ भी शायद lip liner चाहिए होगा. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. I love that color. Let me see. Oh, let me see. इनमें से जो lip liners हैं, इनमें से कोई इसके साथ चलते हैं तो. Okay. Then the lip liner in Mars Peachy Glow. इन्हीं के बगल में लगा कर देखती हूँ. हाँ, ये वाला लिप लाइनर चल जाएगा. I can do Mars Peachy Glow with Soul and legendary liner Natasha Moor. Shade name Showstopper. This one looks like, इसको तो मैंने अब तक swatch भी नहीं करा है. ये भी चल जाएगा. ये I think उसके साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, self made के साथ. Let's go with my gut instinct. Let's do the Mars lip liner with, पहले मैं इसको साफ करके आती हूँ. Let's go with my gut instinct. Let's do the Mars lip liner in Peachy Glow with Natasha Moor Soul. Oh, color प्यारा है. Very pigmented. कुछ ज़्यादा ही pigmented. That's beautiful. That is a beautiful lip combo. Oh, and it goes so well with the rest of the makeup. Gut instinct के साथ ना हमेशा जाना चाहिए. Beautiful. And this is my whole makeup for the day. I think और कुछ नहीं करना मुझे. But let me show you if there is anything else in the box that I have not shown you yet. Okay, yes. इसके अलावा the last item in the box is this gift box from Plum Body, and it is in the Vanilla Caramelo fragrance. ये Plum Body products की मेरी favorite fragrance है. I'm so glad that this is the one that she gave. So इसके अंदर एक body wash है which is going to straight away go in my travel box, like travel bag, क्योंकि this is such a nice small packaging. I love it. एक body lotion है जो कि अब मैं लगा लेने वाली हूँ because I have no chill. एक hand cream है which is lovely. Actually, let's try the hand cream. मैंने कभी hand cream try नहीं करी है. And एक perfume sample है, body mist. एक body mist है. So let's start with the body mist. Oh, smells like so nice. Oh, so nice. Lovely. And let's also try the hand cream because मैंने अब तक try नहीं करी है and swatches साफ करते करते मेरे hands काफ़ी dry हो गए हैं. कितनी I've literally never used hand cream before. मैं हमेशा just moisturizer लगा लेती हूँ. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Take the headband off. This is my full face of using products that I won in a giveaway. I'm so grateful. I don't know कितनी बार मैं बोल चुकी हूँ, but I'm very grateful that Sonakshi gave me all of these things. I cannot wait to try the Soeasy press on nails. I currently have nail polish on, इसलिए मैंने अभी नहीं किया. Otherwise मैं अभी कर लेती. But I'm very excited to try those out. Both the colors are like universally flattering. चाहे मैं कोई भी dress पहन लूँ. The makeup looks lovely. Thank you. And thank you to everyone who joined this video, started watching this video because you found me on her channel. I hope you stick around to watch other videos also. Subscribe to me and my channel as well. And I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.